I'm really trying to tell y'all, don't let my little frame fool y'all. Like, I really be eating for real. Like, I ordered some more Haitian food today. I just miss my mama and my grandma cooking. And this will suffice, but it's not fucking with my people's food. Like, my mama cook that. How much I say I good, mom? Cheers. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Thank you, God. I want my. The food is not going nowhere in the car. But it is. It'll suffice for sure. If you're in Houston and you know of any other Haitian food spots, please let me know. I want to try them. Thank you.